Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon, where Highway 99 East and West come together. I'm Gary Christians, you know me as the van guy, and I got vans today. I got a Travato 59G in a cherry red color. It is going to be amazing. Starting in the back of the unit, you'll notice you have two cargo doors at the rear that you can exit out of one of them. And then on the driver's side, you've got a corner bed that's folded up. And below the drawers, there's slider storage. Underneath the bottom of the bed, there is a storage compartment that's accessible for long items from the rear or shorter items from the top. Undo the seat belt, the bed folds down, giving you a nice, comfortable sleeping area. Above the bed area, there's storage, which are lockable. You also have night lights in the back that are blue or bright light for reading. On the passenger side, you've got a nice corner shower, flush toilet. You've got a privacy curtain that'll help keep the unit dry while you're taking a shower. They put in bamboo mats for your feet for drainage. You've got a nice little sink as well as a spot to put your RV toilet paper in. And moving forward, again on the driver's side, you're going to come to the kitchen unit where you're going to see solid surface countertop. And on the right would be your recessed sink, which doubles as a nice work area, and to the left of that forward is your two-burner stove, again with a glass top for more workspace. At the end there's a flip-up counter for additional storage, and there are three drawers on the forward end of the kitchen and a nice storage area down where the sink is located at. And across the way we're going to go into a compressor-style refrigerator freezer. This one I like particularly well because they put the refrigerator on the top and the freezer on the bottom. Above that you have a microwave, just forward of that towards the driver's seat. You've got a nice hanging space and storage. And the bonus on this one is, just in front of that, behind the driver's seat, you've got a nice dinette with two forward-facing seats for passengers with seat belts. Tabletop has a lower section. If you pull the pin down, rotate that lower section, it hooks up to the seat by the entry and exit side door where a fifth person could sit. Up front in the driver's area, both seats do turn around and swivel. They adjust for height. The steering wheel does telescope. This is a 6-cylinder front-wheel drive V6, about 15 miles per gallon. Got a sunshade up front that's very easy to operate. It stores up front so you don't have to take it from a compartment. And just above the driver and passenger seats, up above, is a storage area where the cushions are stored for making the bed down into the dinette down into a full double bed. You do have a full entertainment center, CD player, Bluetooth. The TV does rotate out and face the driver and passenger seat for viewing when you're stopped. Got a nice light bar just above the driver and passenger seat that can be turned off, medium, or low or high light. Both mirrors are adjustable, and there is a switch to fold the mirrors in as well. The Dodge Pro Ram chassis has an extremely tight turning radius. You'll be very impressed when you're taking it out and about instead of your second car. You'd be taking this and parking it quite smartly. The Travato has a very nice feature in the fact that it has a ladder on the back, a bicycle rack, and up above a rack on top. Now you can put a storage pod up there, you can put a kayak rack, surfboard rack, just about anything you want. There is a solar panel up on top, and the ladder moves from the driver's rear door to the side of the vehicle for ease of loading and unloading your equipment that you might have stored up above. It does have a receiver hitch for storing maybe another bike rack, or it can tow a very light load. It's limited to about 2,000 pounds towing capacity. Thanks for taking the time today to watch my video on this van. I know you have questions, and you're probably wondering, well, who am I going to call? Well, you'd call me, the van guy. You can call me direct at 541-554-9581, and my crack staff has got my email up on the screen. Either way is fine. Oh, you might check me out on the Van Guy Facebook page. All it is a bunch of videos just like you're going to see here. Have a good day. Goodbye.